set up on your tripod. That's the tornado over there, and it is...
I don't think we're going to have time. I see the funnel. I'm getting out. Get a little bit of video. That is a funnel.
Big time. Very close to the ground.
That may be down. I think that's debris underneath it.
It's tough to tell, pal. It's moving. Yeah, debris. Debris. It's on the ground.
All right, timestamp.
It is 6:01 p.m.
Time is 6:01. Likely tornado south of McCook, Nebraska.
Yeah, it's on the ground, but I see the debris.
Yes, so do I.
I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna start taking some screenshots on radar scope.
Looks like it is starting to maybe rip out. Look at how that funnel's whipping. It's like it's trying to coil up.